Hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I'm back to do our April 12 of 22 journal drawing topic drawing. So, all of the themes are in the box. Just as a quick review, this is a challenge, and you are challenged to make 12 journals, one for each month of 2022. And each month there's a theme or a style that you should use to do it. And what you do is just build a single signature journal, no smaller than 4 by 6, no larger than 6 by 9. It has to have a minimum of 3 signature pages or a maximum of 7. And you can decorate it any way that you want, as long as it fits within the parameters of the theme or style. And then take a couple of pictures and then submit them to me either at Bemis Crafty Corner group on Facebook, or you can send me the pictures directly to my email at bemiscraftycorner@gmail.com. So let's find out what our April topic is going to be. All right, for the month of April, boho. Boho is our style for April. So you are going to make a single signature journal in the boho style. I can't wait to see what you submit. Now remember, all submissions must be made by the 3rd of the following month. So by May the 3rd, all boho journals have to be turned in. Anything that's turned in after that under the boho theme will not be entered. Each journal that you put in will get you an entry into my end of the year challenge drawing, and I will determine the prize for that based on participation. How many people we get. The more people we get, the bigger the prize. Okay? That's it. If you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.